Hey you guys, this is VIKISHUB. So in this video I'll be sharing with you a very simple way to make your not so favorite piece of clothing look better, and you will love it better if there's anything like that. So the first thing you're gonna do is just make some polka dot. The first choice is just make a polka dot on it, especially if it's a really plain piece of clothing. Take an acrylic color and just make a polka dot on it, whichever color you want, depending on the color of the piece of clothing you want to transform. And the next thing I'm doing in this video is a write-up. Just play around with a write-up, any write-up of your choice. So I'll be showing you how I did transform my very plain dress in this video, so stay tuned to learn better, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy.